Come on, man, hurry up.
Well,
man.
this is cutting that leg and putting vinegar in it. Take one. Up in your leg, up in your leg.
Oh, this is where it's
Velcro. Oh, 13-ish.
Oh. Oh, you know, after a while it doesn't get that bad. But then you start again. Oh, there I go. Oh, so stupid. Why did I ever do that?
Oh, there's a red. No, not me.
Oh, that's good. That's good. That's good.
One more go. Be a man. Do it for the camera.
I don't want to be a man. I'm a boy. I'm a boy.
Okay, let's show the wound.
Oh.
Wound.
Oh.
It looks so red, but he's in a lot of pain. Well, now it's vinegar and vinegar.
Oh. Wait. Let me compose myself. Right? What are you doing? I'm not waiting to just turn off for a second. I just need a.
Free bet. Dare you
What?
to do it right now?
Well, that seems pretty for guess, but you know, does vinegar make it heal quicker?
Yeah.
I guess I only have one choice then. Wait, honey.
Do what?
It's okay if I bite this.
No.
Please, I need to bite something.
Okay, bite that. There you go. Actually, you have to bite that rock. Okay, go with a pillow. Right now. You're going to cut.
Oh shit! Oh motherfucker! Oh fuck your mom! Oh shit! Oh! Fuck! Oh, that was in one drop, right? One drop! Oh! Shit! My leg is on fire! Oh fuck! Oh shit! Oh!
Can do it again.
Oh no! Wait for another day.
Just one more. One more. You can't get much cut and then not want to do it again.
Do you know how much it hurts?
I can tell. Please.
I actually felt that there was something stabbing into my leg.
You can do it to me sometime.
No, see, I really want to do it to you now. I've just done it to me. But to go through that amount of pain.
Yeah, but look how happy I am.
Go through that amount of pain. It's ridiculous.
Just one more.
Oh, it fucking hurts so bad.
No.
Oh, fuck! Fuck you, piece of shit! Oh shit! Oh, my fucking leg hurts! Oh shit! Take it down now. That's enough. That's enough.